card kit. So your card kit comes out every other month. It will include 4 sheets of cardstock, 6 blank cards with envelopes, and then enough product to do those 6 cards, plus always a lot more. This month is featuring Prima Midnight Garden. So you can see this is absolutely gorgeous. All of the beautiful florals, some feathers. I love the pinks, a little bit of the turquoise and blue. There's even some touches of purple in there. So let's go through and look at everything up close. So you're going to get in your kit 6 envelopes and 6 card bases. These are white this month, as well as 4 sheets of cardstock. So you'll receive this month 2 sheets of white, a sheet of red, and a sheet of black. These are great if you want to cut them in half and make extra card bases, or you can cut them to make the bases for your card fronts. The pattern paper is 15 sheets of the 6x6 Prima Midnight Garden paper. These are double-sided. So this one is a floral print, and the back side is this kind of dark burgundy pink color. So you can use either one of those sides or one of each. We have this one, that's the feathers. I have 3 sheets of it, and the back side is this beautiful distressed kind of a blue-green. And then I have 2 sheets of this one. It has like a world map on the background and this beautiful design on the front. The back of that one is a black distressed. And then I have 2 sheets of this, which is just a little kind of receipts, ledger papers with the florals on top. And the back are these fern leaves, all different styles of leaves. And then I have 3 sheets of this one. It's another one of the different tickets and ledger type papers. And the back is this beautiful soft blue with the feathers. Hopefully that will show up on the camera. And then I have 3 more sheets of this gorgeous floral on the brown, and the back is this linen print. So as you can see, you have lots and lots of papers to design with, lots of choices by it being double-sided. All right, and now on to the embellishments. So you're going to get the coordinating Say It in crystals for the Midnight Garden collection. So there's 48 crystals in the pink and the purple. There's a black and kind of this rose gold, just gorgeous. You're going to get 3 of the large Prima flowers. These will vary, as well as some leaves to go with them. Are those not gorgeous? And then you're going to get 12 of the mini flowers. These will vary as well, but they're from the pinks, and they even have like the patterns of the florals and the blues, as well as a third a pack of the die cuts. So these will vary, but I'll show you what came in my kit. Beautiful icons and more of those gorgeous flowers. So these are really going to brighten somebody's day when you make these and send them out. There's a couple of little flowers. And then you also get 1 yard of black ribbon. So this has a nice shiny sheen to it. It's just gorgeous, along with the collection. So that is your February card kit from Prima Midnight Garden. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Also, be sure to check out the rest of the kits available from the scrap room. All of the links will be down below. And then come on over and join us on the Facebook group to see what the design team is